Hey guys, it's Jason. Today we're going to do a 1981 Fleer wax pack. Key rookies that I'd be looking for out of here would be like Kirk Gibson, Fernando Valenzuela. We'll see if we get anybody else. We got the big nasty piece of gum right there. And this typically doesn't come off the card very well. At least with 81 Fleer. It must be super toxic. Yeah, it's just... We're going to leave it as it is and move on. All right, let's see if we get anyone in this one. Pretty simple cards. Photography is not the greatest. That kind of sums up 1981. Still pretty cool to open them, though. I do enjoy it, especially the older ones here. Jose Cruz. Quick shot of the back. We are kind of striking out here, unfortunately. Yeah. We end with Mike Cubbage with a little bit of damage. Well, not the pack that I wanted for sure, but that happens sometimes. But thanks, guys, for hanging with me. I'll do it again tomorrow. See you then.